So if you get this kind of notification banner, you will probably have a product like that with a drop down. So to now make it work, you have to convert this drop down to color swatches. So what you will do is you will go to the Wix products. So I will do so. I will look for my product, which is currently the drop down. Now it's opening up. And here the only thing I have to do is scroll all the way down until I will see the product options. I can go to edit. And you can see right now it's in this list view, but if it's in this list view, it will not work to convert it to image swatches. So what we have to do now is to click here on color. So now they are all converted to color, but in our case, also no matter what kind of color is set here, they could be also all black. Anyway, they will be overwritten by the images you will later upload. So you can just click apply, save it. Once it is saved, you will go back to our app. We'll open it up again. We'll go to select product, pillow, done. So now you will see that these settings will open up. You are now able, you see originally it's now some color swatches, and now you can also upload the images you want to show here. So for example, what do we have? Red, green, and yellow. Then I will just save it, go back to my pillow page, we'll refresh it. So now, like you can see, the images are showing and it's working according to our recommendation.